In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Google Workspace. We'll walk through the sign-up flow and tell Google that you already own a domain at GoDaddy, so you can start using professional email and collaboration tools with your own address. First, open your browser and go to the official Google Workspace website. Using the official site ensures you're on the most up-to-date setup wizard. If you're doing this for a company, consider using a computer where you can keep the window open until you finish the initial setup. On the home page, click Start Free Trial. This begins the guided setup without committing to a plan yet, and you can compare pricing and features later. The trial simply unlocks the steps we need to connect your domain. When prompted, enter your business name. This can be your legal business name or the brand your team recognizes. It appears in your admin console and on invoices, so choose something accurate. You can usually adjust branding details later, so don't stress about perfection here. Just make it clear and consistent. Next, type in your contact information. Provide your name and a current email address you can access right away. Google will send important setup messages and recovery options here. Double check for typos before continuing. This helps avoid delays if you need to confirm anything. When Google asks how you want to set up your account, choose the option to set up using your existing domain. Since you already have a domain registered at GoDaddy, this tells Google you're bringing that domain with you instead of buying a new one through Google. Now add your GoDaddy domain. Enter it exactly as it's registered, something like yourdomain.com, without HTTP, HTTPS, or www. Be precise with spelling and punctuation. Even a small mistake will prevent Google from recognizing the domain. If you manage multiple domains, make sure you're using the one you intend for email. After you enter it, continue in the wizard. At this point, you've told Google Workspace about your GoDaddy domain, and you're ready for the next guided steps. The setup wizard will lead you through the remaining tasks to finish connecting things behind the scenes. Keep your GoDaddy login details handy in case you're asked to confirm ownership later, and follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the confirmation screens. That's the foundation done. Your domain is now associated with your new Workspace account, and you're set to move forward with the rest of the configuration.